Hi everyone! One of my insecurities growing up is having an imperfect skin. I have flaws in my skin and always thought of ways to improve it. And because of this, I love discovering techniques and tricks on how to keep myself comfortable in my own style, beauty, and skin. Skin is the most sensitive area that we need to be careful about what to apply on it and what to use on it. Cosmetics, for instance, and most beauty products may work for some but not for others. And then as we age, our skin will have fine lines and wrinkles, which, by the way, are the most evident and often most concern causing indications of aging for men and women. Dreariness of skin, while in most area of it, the glowing feature slowly fades. And then dry skin comes, age spots, rough texture, visibility of pores, and even skin tone and plus more. Most of the time, I go for DIY techniques, not only because it is cheaper, while it is also available at home remedies. Although that doesn't work overnight and won't have much effect compared with the use of advanced technology. Exposure to sunlight is number one culprit in aging skin. Over time, the sun's UV light damages certain structures in the skin. The breakdown of elastin causes the skin to stretch and sag. One of the prominent treatment apart from surgery is the RF treatment. I have heard about this technique, although I honestly have not tried it yet. It is the RF, or what they call radio frequency treatment. In this video, I'm going to unbox and try out this product, RF instrument. It says it has electrical muscle stimulation, mesoporation, electroporation, radio frequency, and light emitting diode, light energy or LED. Some of the parts included in the box are charging stand, USB charging line, LED panel, power switch, charging indicating lamp, charging jack, conductive metal head, LCD screen, and LED selection key. Now before using the machine, we have to charge it 3 hours before the first use. And then we have to clean our skin and apply our preferred serum. And then number 3, we can start using it by pressing the power switch. Now let's start using the instrument. Depending on your preference, click the LED light and it will give you the options red, green, blue, yellow light, pink, and flashing pink lights. So these different lights has different treatment options, such as red is to treat wrinkled skin, green is to treat dark spots and discoloration, blue is to treat acne and oily skin, yellow is to brighten the skin, pink is to whiten the skin, and a flashing pink LED light is used to aid in permission of skincare products. Now the other button is for the power. It will give you the adjustment of intensity preference, such as level 1, level 2, 3, 4, and maximum is 5. 6 times you're going to press it will turn off the device. I'm going to use intensity level 2 And I am moving the device slowly from bottom to top of my face and from inside to out. The skin may feel warm during use, and this is normal. The device will automatically shut off after 10 minutes of use. Now, what made me buy this product? First of all, it's non-invasive, non-surgical, and it is used to target sagging skin in the face. Radio frequency, it doesn't sound the most exciting, but RF treatments are for the purpose of tightening and firming skin. Like laser and LED treatments, radio frequency uses energy to stimulate collagen and elastin production. It is relatively gentle to tighten skin, and this treatment became increasingly popular because it can tighten the skin without damaging the top layer. I'll try now intensity number 4. Now at this point, there is a slight prickling sensation. It's tolerable and it's not painful. The most famous device I've heard of is Thermage, but I also know it is extremely expensive, although the results are impressively stunning and instant. It uses radio frequency energy to tighten the underlying skin composition and shape the face to create toned and young skin, especially appropriate for sag skin, neck, chin, wrinkles, and lines. How often can you do radio frequency at home? Well, depending on the device that you use. You go for around 12 to 15 minutes per session. You can repeat the session 2 to 3 times a week. You must keep this at pace for 6 to 8 weeks for best results. The effects of radio frequency treatments will continue to improve over the next few months as the skin produces new collagen. Results on an average last for a minimum of 6 months, although with continuing treatments, results are often long-lasting. The most common side effects using this product were temporary swelling, redness, and tingling, although not for all. The RF radiation used during this procedure is the same as the type emitted from other common household devices such as cell phones or Wi-Fi. Although the long-term side effects of low-energy radiation isn't completely known, there hasn't been any absolute indication that reveals health risks to people that RF radiation can cause. Now you might want to know, aside from using RF device, how do we tighten back the skin? Well, I'm not a beauty expert, but I am aware that beauty supplements can help. While there's no magic tablet to fix the sagging skin, certain supplements may be effective, such as collagen and multivitamins. And also applying oils and serum will slow down aging and hydrate the skin. Although in reality, cosmetic procedures are gained overnight. But my dear friends, this option is not available for everyone because of the cost, timing, and accessibility. I might just keep using this device instead. The good thing that I want most in the RF treatment, not only in the firming of skin, it could also help fight sun damage due to its ability to increase production of collagen. Is this product effective? For now, I cannot tell you, but if you keep following my videos, I am sure I will get back to you later if it was effective on my skin. For now, I will enjoy this new product and have fun using it. I hope you learned something today, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. I will see you again soon, guys. Have a great week ahead. Bye!